This video is to help you navigate through Canvas. So CMS has added a lot of materials for us already in Canvas, and then teachers have the option to change and update things as they see fit. So I'm just going to kind of give you a brief overview. Some of it's not finished yet because I am still trying to go through and find all the different resources and things that they've given us to access. But basics we can get covered today. So this is your homepage when you log in. On your homepage, there's a video where I introduce myself. I have a picture of my Bitmoji. I use her a lot to kind of make sure that you know where you're clicking and where directions are and things like that in the course. On the bottom of this page, you will have, I will insert the video for the navigation here where it says to insert the course navigation video. Live lessons is where you will click to go and access your Zoom links for your class. There's some information about grading. I have a teacher information page with the syllabus. Canvas navigation is just some tips and tricks and things like that. Support are district support, things you might need like child nutrition, technology issues, things like that. Digital citizenship will be things that we'll be doing in some of the SEL times that we'll have together, but we have not received any of that information from the district. And then again, I have my little Bitmoji friend down here at the bottom, and so you would click here to enter the course. Now I cannot adjust anything on this page. This, as you see for me, says it's locked. But this is where you would go and click in here to Unit 1. That'll be the first unit that we'll cover. I'll be updating the dates, clicking and making, you would click for the lesson. It'll take you to a link and take you through everything that you need to complete for the day to finish up that module. Again, this is all things that have been provided to me from the district. There's a lot here, so I'm still trying to figure out how to best arrange all of that content for you. While I'm still working on that, the one place that you want to see on the homepage, if you click here, it's going to take you to the virtual classroom. So there's my Bitmoji again. So this will change and update throughout the semester. There are all of these little, not all of them, but some of the pictures will link you to things. So like if you click on the school logo, it takes you to the school technology website. You can click on the Zoom link. It'll take you right to the conferences. If you need to log into Remind, you can click on the Remind logo and it'll take you to Remind. If you're coming to tutoring, you would click on the little box there that says tutoring on Thursday. That'll take you to the Zoom meeting for that. On this bookshelf, I have the TI-84 calculator. If you have that calculator at home and need some directions, you can click on that link and it'll take you to some step-by-step directions on how to do things with your graphing calculator. We'll use Desmos a lot for activities, so I've included a link here for Desmos. The other website that we'll be using to practice on is called Delta Math. We'll get logged in and started on Delta Math, but that's just a quick link there to take you to that website. So again, the point of this page is really so that all of your information will be together in one place. First day, first 2 or 3 days, they don't have a space built in for me on the Canvas page to do it, what I would call like Unit 0, just kind of the first getting to know how class works information. So I will be setting up our agenda for the day here. And including some links here. So there's multiple ways on this page for you to get around and find what you need in different places. Again, it's all in how things make a little more sense to you, because you can also access Zoom by going to Live Lessons. Again, when you go to Live Lessons, I've got a picture here just saying, you'll go to the waiting room, I'll let you in. So you would just click on the Zoom link to go to our virtual classroom. And I'll also update all the video, or all the classes will be recorded. So if you needed to go back and watch something again, or you were absent one day, you could go back in and see the virtual class. So there's a lot of extra stuff, again, on mine that you don't see when you go in, but I'll be using announcements will be one. I'll kind of weekly give you an overview of the week, important dates and things to remember there. I will be using grades once I get the grading set up. Your most current grade will be in PowerSchool. I'll use Canvas grading really just more as a checkpoint, just to say that things have been completed and are finished. So again, there's a lot in Canvas. Spend some time going through it, finding things, looking for things. And if a link does not work, or you cannot find something, or if the way that I have the class organized doesn't make sense to you, please let me know, because again, I'm taking something from somebody else and trying to make it work for us, but I want it to also be something that makes sense to you and is easy to navigate and similar to your other teachers' pages. So those things would be beneficial to hear from you as well.